Dear children, welcome to VC Diamond channel. Today we are going to see activity of prepositions. Definition of prepositions. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun or pronoun to show the direction, time, place, location, relationship or to introduce an object. First we will see the word through. From one end or side of something to the other. In another one meaning, the preposition through means in and out of. The two men are walking through the tunnel towards the park. Here, through is a preposition. What is this?
This is a pipe.
Okay. What is this?
This is a ball.
The ball is rolling through this pipe. Here, through is a preposition. What is this?
This is a box.
Okay. What is this?
This is a sellotape.
The sellotape is rolling through this box. Here, through is a preposition. Next, we will see the word into. To a position in or inside something. In another one meaning, in the direction of something. For example, the girl got into the car and closed the door. Here, into is a preposition. What are these?
These are glasses.
What are these?
These are coins.
These coins are into the glass of water. Here, into is a preposition. What is this?
This is a bottle.
This bottle is into the glass of water. Here, into is a preposition. What is the difference between through and into? The difference between through and into is that through means in and out of something, whereas into signifies movement towards the inside of a place. Next, we will see the word around. Around is often used with verbs of movement such as walk and drive. In another one meaning, use the adverb around to describe something that's on every side of you. For example, the balls are around the box. Here, around is a preposition. What is this?
This is a box.
What are these?
These are ducks.
These ducks are around the box. Here, around is a preposition. What is this?
This is a tiffin box.
What are these?
These are spoons.
These spoons are around the tiffin box. Here, around is a preposition.